Welcome back to the Billy Corner. In today's episode, I'm going to be testing Bob Runde's Kielwood shaft. For those who don't know, Bob Runde is one of the founders of Schon cues. Now, Schon cues is regarded by many as one of the best hitting cues in the pool world. According to Schon's website, around 1992, Bob Runde retired from Schon cues and started making his own cues called Runde cues. To this day, one of the most collectible and desirable Schon cues are known as the sharp-pointed Runde Era cues. Now, these cues feature sharp points, high-quality woods, and was known to be one of the best hitting cues Schon ever put out. Since leaving Schon around 1992, Bob Runde started building his own cues known as Runde cues. Now, the Runde cues features the same high build quality that Bob Runde has always been known for, and I actually own one myself. Between my Lambros and my Runde cue, these two cues are refused to sell and I've kept for many years because they truly are the best hitting cues I've ever played with. Now, Bob Runde has been experimenting with different woods recently, and this right here is Bob Runde's newest Kielwood shaft. Bob Runde has opted to use a shorter ferrule combined with Kielwood to give its low deflection properties while still giving the Bob Runde hit that we know and love. Now, you can also order the shaft with a 1-inch ferrule, which is what Bob actually prefers. Let's go ahead and perform a deflection test. This is soft. This is medium. This is hard. As you can see, the shaft offers lower deflection than your traditional maple shaft. Let's go and perform a flex and vibration test. As you see, there's no unwanted vibration or flex. The shaft is actually pretty stiff. Let's go and perform a sound test. One of the greatest features of the shaft is how great it hits. You could really feel the cue ball through the shaft and really offers you a lot of feel and control. Let me go and demonstrate on the table here. Overall, I'm very happy with the performance of the shaft. The shaft just has a really great traditional Bob Runde hit we all know and love while still offering you low deflection. Alright, I think that's all I got for you guys today. I want to give a huge shout out to Bob Runde and Tristan for sending me this shaft to test out for everyone. If you guys want to order your own Bob Runde Kielwood shaft, I'll post a link below to contact Tristan. Now, the shaft starts at $275 and go up from there depending if you want matching ring work. Now, Bob Runde did tell me he's only building these for Schon and Runde cues, so this really is only for the fans. Now, we also got a Facebook group called the Runde Cue Collectors. I highly recommend you join if you're a Runde nut like me. I'll post all the links below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.